Good evening, YouTubers. T Square with T Square Talk. So, we've been opening up a ton of rolls for a while on this channel, and I always get asked, hey, how about selling some of them rolls? You know, other channels sell rolls. I've never done it before. I do have extremely good luck. I just enjoy opening rolls and sharing with you guys what I find. I like it when people open rolls. I like watching them open rolls. But I have had a lot of people ask me, so I wanted to try to come up with something. So for a limited time this week, I am running basically a donation. You can make a donation to the channel. Where we will open rolls for you. The packages will range, if you make a $5 donation, you can make a $10 donation, a $20 donation, a $25 donation, a $30 donation, a $50 donation, and a $100 donation. I'm going to walk you through these and let you know what you get for each of these. I recommend you watch the whole video. The $100 donation, according to what eBay and Amazon has these products going for, I'm pretty confident that you can't go wrong. It is a donation base, so on like the $50 rolls there is no guarantee, but take a look and let me know what you guys think. And if you guys think I could tweak this a little bit, go ahead and let me know in the comments. And if you are interested in making a donation, at the end of the video I will have information on how you can make a donation to the channel. So the first level is a $5 donation to the channel. We will open up one roll of $50. This is a $10 roll of $50. Any NIFCs you will have sent to you. If you get any silver, that will be sent to you. And should that coin pop up, something like a proof or a really cool coin, we will send that to you. So for $5 you will receive one roll. Now, should you want to donate $10, you will receive 3 rolls of $50. Same items will still be sent to you. If they're junk coins, just regular junk $50, they will just get trashed. Those will not be sent to you. The reason being, obviously, you can get into shipping costs. There's not really much leeway if someone buys a $5 or $10 package. With a $5 or $10 donation to the channel, it will eat the shipping, and it won't really pay off for the channel, but I've estimated that I won't really lose anything. I'm just opening up the coins for you. So that's what you will receive for a $10 donation. Now, the next level is for a $20 donation. A $20 donation will get you 7 rolls of $50 that we will open up, and you will be sent the same items, proofs, silver, NIFCs, any kind of really cool coin. But you will also receive a roll of 2017 pennies. These rolls I've estimated, the cheapest I could find them online, I did find one person that had them for $6.99. I found a lot of $7.99s and a lot of $10. You can check the price of a roll of 2017 pennies on Amazon, eBay, and private mints like Littleton and some of these other ones will also have them. This guarantees you will receive a package from us. That is at the $20 level. Now, at the $25 level, you will get 10 rolls of $50 and 1 roll of 2017 pennies. Same coins will be sent as other ones on the $50. You will be guaranteed that you will receive this in the mail at the $25 level. Now, next we're going to go to the $30 level, and that's where it's going to get really interesting and fun. Now, at the $30 level, what we've done was we decided to add 2 rolls of the quarters the new 2019 quarters. These are brand new rolls of quarters. There's no telling what's going to be in them. Let's see here. They are the brand new ones. This happens to be a monument roll. And we expect there should be something in there. I can't guarantee it at this level. But you'll get 2 rolls of these. We estimate that via online sales running $16 at $8 a piece. With a $30 donation, we will open up 10 rolls of halves, 2 rolls of quarters. Hopefully you're going to get some W's out of it. That's the only thing that you essentially will have sent to you is the W's. You're not going to find any silver in these because they are brand new quarters. So W's will be the only thing that gets sent. And then you will get 2 rolls of the 2017 P pennies. Now, we also have a $50 and a $100 donation package that I will be showing you, and that is where it's going to get really crazy because we want to make sure that people are getting something for their money, and we hope you're going to get something really good, but there's no way of knowing in half dollars how them are going to play out. So we're going to show you guys the $50 and $100 package that you can make a $50 or $100 donation to the channel, and you can see what you will receive. Now, should you want to donate $50 to the channel, this is what you will receive, and you do start getting guarantees at the $50 level. You will open up 20 of these rolls, and you will get the same coins that we said on the other ones. You'll receive 4 rolls of the new 2019 brand new quarters. We will guarantee out of 4 rolls, I will guarantee that you receive at least 1 W quarter. If we open these 4 rolls or 4 rolls, I have plenty of rolls, and you should happen to not get one, then I will actually guarantee you will get one that we have found earlier. We do have plenty of them, so you will be guaranteed at least one. I've had some rolls come up with as many as 6, but I'm guaranteeing one because I've also had some rolls come up with none as it gets a little later in the game. And you will actually receive 4 rolls of the 2017 P pennies to commemorate the 225 anniversary. So guaranteed you will get 1 W quarter and 4 rolls of pennies. The 4 rolls of pennies estimates online value at $32 via, if you go online, what you could buy them for. The W quarter, I'd like to estimate that it's pretty safe sale at $18. So your $50 donation is pretty close to guarantee that you can't really lose out of the deal, and it does help our channel grow. If you don't open one in one of these, it's random which one you get, whether you get the first W, the second W, and then I will show you now what you will get should you want to donate the $100 to the channel. And one important note, if you do the $50 package or the $100 package, it will be done on a live stream, opened up via live stream, dedicated just for you. After all the rolls and everything's opened up and we've came to the conclusion of what we're sending you, it will end the live stream. Your name will be in the live stream. And that's only going to be for the $100 and the $50 donation. Should you make any smaller donations to the channel, it will basically, there could be 3 or 4 openings on one live stream, and your name will be announced and then opened, and then the second person will be announced, and then that stuff will be opened. But you will have a dedicated live stream for the $50 and the $100 donations to the channel. So I'm going to show you guys the $100 package because this is pretty cool, the $100 package. So should you want to make a $100 donation to help the channel, you will receive a $500. We will open up a $500 box of $half. You will receive any NIFCs, any proofs, any silver, any interesting coins. If we see variations, eras, painted, any kind of cool coins, you will receive those coins out of the box. That's pretty standard that all channels, they don't send the junk. So any junk coins will just be thrown in the junk bucket. You will also receive 10 rolls of the new quarters. And with the 10 rolls, we are guaranteeing that you will receive at a minimum 2 of the W quarters. So that could be 2, it could be a lot more than 2. We don't know what will be in them when we open up. We've had as many as 6. We've had 0 sometimes. But if you're getting 10 rolls, I will guarantee that you will get 2. If you receive 2 of the same quarter, I will sub out 1. That way you can get both the first one and the second one under the circumstances. If you're going to get 2 guaranteed W's, I'd like you to have 1 of each. And you will also receive 10 rolls of the 2017 P pennies with an estimated value of $80 when you look online. And then the 2 quarters, it's a safe bet that you could get $10 a piece for them. So right there you make up your money. Extra quarters would just mean extra profit potential for you, and any kind of silver or anything that we find out of the box, that is at the $100 level. And we may end up adding a bonus in that will be a surprise bonus on the $100 package to make it interesting for you and for other people that will be watching your stream that will be dedicated just to you. So now let's talk about if you are interested in making a donation to the channel. So now you're wondering, how do we make a donation to the channel? To make a donation to the channel, all you have to do is go to PayPal and you send your donation to tsquaretalktome@gmail.com. And this was a complete list of the different benefits of each donation level. And I thank y'all. And this is pretty much just for the people that really want to do this. You don't have to do this. I really just enjoy that you guys are watching the stream, the show, the videos, the streams, the show. It's just something I enjoy doing. Any donations, the money will get put back into the channel. And I tried to do this in a way where the people that really want to get some rolls and pull some of the coins that I've been pulling, and this is a good opportunity for you to kind of get that same opportunity. I thank you guys for watching. As always, please hit the thumbs up video. If you do decide to donate to the channel, please make sure you put your mailing address on there. Make sure you let me know if you don't want your name getting mentioned. If you do want your name getting mentioned, then definitely, you don't have to say anything. I'll mention it unless you specifically say don't mention it. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. And as always, leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think. If you think there's other ideas that maybe you guys have, you can leave it in the comments, or you can just email it to me. My email is actually tsquaretalktome@gmail.com, so you can actually email me there if you have other good ideas. And I love reading y'all's emails, and I just really enjoy reading y'all's comments. I feel like it's a family here, and really want to keep growing the channel. So I thank you guys for watching, and if you have not already check out my son's giveaway. I will put the link in the bottom so you guys can jump over there, subscribe to his channel, and get in on that free giveaway and possibly win a W quarter for free. So I thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys again on T Square Talk. You guys have a great night.